Kasaysayang maituturing na pagsamahin sa isang napakalaking Valentine concert ang mga bigating mga awit ng bansa na sina Ogie Alcacid, Regine Velasquez, Martin Rivera at Pops Fernandez.
Siyempre, Valentine's Day today, full of romantic feelings, pero all of us are very excited. Masaya eh. Yeah. Tsaka, nabalitaan ko ba na CNN pala kami. Apparently, in the world today, one of the places to go to is the Force of Concert.
I'm so glad to be part of it. 1/4 of the history tonight. It's an honor to perform with Regine and Ogie. I used to watch Ogie ever since I was a kid.
Dahil nataong araw ng mga puso ang kanilang foursome concert sa SM Mall of Asia Arena, paano pinakilig ni na Ogie at Martin ang kanilang mga misis?
Hindi, kagabi, pag-uwi namin, dumating na yung flowers na in-order ko, and then I gave her a card. And then hello, Homer. Thank you very much. Then I gave her a box of heart-shaped chocolates. Medyo mahirap hanapin yun ngayon eh. So, inuwi ko pa yun from the States nung last trip ko. So, tinago ko siya dun sa fridge. Kasi may fridge ako dun sa music room ko eh. Kasi pag nakita niya dun sa fridge nung fridge namin, tataka yun. Ganyan na to.
I think hindi pa iwasan yung kilig factor when it comes to Pops and I, because everybody was part of our relationship.